Ever felt like you were constantly glued to your screen, trying to buy or sell crypto at the exact right moment? Missing out on those fleeting dips or peaks because life, well, happens. What if I told you there's a way to take back some of that time and still execute your trades precisely when you want them to? We're diving deep into the world of limit orders on Gemini today. Now, for those of you who are new to the crypto space or maybe haven't explored the advanced trading features yet, a limit order might sound a little intimidating. But trust me, it's one of the most powerful tools in your arsenal for strategic and stress-free trading. Think of a limit order as your personal trading assistant. Instead of manually placing a market order, which executes immediately at the best available price, a limit order allows you to specify the exact price at which you want to buy or sell an asset. It's like setting a price target and telling the exchange, hey, only execute this trade if the price hits this specific point. Why is this so important? Well, imagine you've been watching Bitcoin and you believe it's going to dip down to $60,000 before potentially rebounding. Instead of sitting there refreshing your screen for hours, hoping to catch that exact moment, you can simply set a buy limit order at $60,000. If the price drops to that level, Gemini will automatically execute your buy order, and you'll acquire Bitcoin at your desired price. Conversely, if you want to sell some Ethereum when it reaches $3,500, you can set a sell limit order, and Gemini will handle the transaction for you when that price is reached. This isn't just about convenience, it's about strategy and control. Limit orders empower you to 1. Execute trades at your desired price. This is the core benefit. You're not at the mercy of the market's immediate fluctuations. You set the price, and the trade only happens if the market meets your condition. This can be particularly useful during volatile periods where prices can swing wildly. 2. Avoid slippage. Slippage occurs when the price at which your market order executes is different from the price you saw when you placed the order. This can happen due to rapid price movements or low liquidity. Limit orders help mitigate this risk by ensuring your trade only goes through at your specified price or better. For buy limit orders, it will execute at your limit price or lower, and for sell limit orders, it will execute at your limit price or higher. 3. Implement strategic trading. Limit orders are fundamental to various trading strategies. Whether you're trying to buy the dip, sell the rally, or set up breakout trades, limit orders allow you to automate these actions based on your predefined price levels. 4. Manage risk. By setting specific entry and exit points with limit orders, you can better manage your risk. You know exactly what price you're getting in at and what price you're selling at, allowing you to calculate potential profits and losses beforehand. 5. Free up your time. Let's be honest, constantly monitoring the market can be time-consuming and emotionally draining. Limit orders allow you to step away from your screen, knowing that your trades will be executed automatically if your price targets are met. Now, let's get into the practical part. How do you actually place a limit order on Gemini? The process is quite straightforward, whether you're using their website or their mobile app. On the Gemini website, log into your Gemini account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the trading interface. This is usually labeled as trade or something similar. Select the trading pair. Choose the cryptocurrency pair you want to trade, e.g., BTC/USD, ETH/BTC. Make sure you have the correct pair selected before proceeding. Locate the order form. You'll typically see different order types available. Look for the option labeled Limit. Click on it to select the limit order type. Specify your order type, buy or sell. Decide whether you want to buy or sell the base asset of the trading pair. For example, if you're trading BTC/USD and you select buy, you're looking to purchase Bitcoin using US dollars. If you select sell, you're looking to sell Bitcoin for US dollars. Enter your limit price. This is the crucial step. In the price field, enter the exact price at which you want your order to be executed. For a buy limit order, this should be a price lower than the current market price. For a sell limit order, this should be a price higher than the current market price. Enter the amount. In the amount field, specify the quantity of the base asset you want to buy or sell. Review your order. Before submitting, double-check all the details: the trading pair, the order type, limit, the price, and the amount. Ensure everything is correct to avoid any unintended trades. Place your order. Once you're satisfied with the details, click the Buy or Sell button to place your limit order. Confirm your order. You might be asked to confirm your order before it's submitted to the order book. Review the confirmation details carefully and click Confirm if everything looks right. On the Gemini mobile app. The process on the mobile app is very similar. Open the Gemini app and log in. Navigate to the Trade section. This is usually found at the bottom of the screen. Select the trading pair. Choose the cryptocurrency pair you want to trade. Select Limit Order. You'll typically find this under the order type options. Choose Buy or Sell. Enter your desired limit price. Enter the quantity you want to trade. Review the order details. Swipe or tap to place your order. You might need to confirm your order with your fingerprint or passcode. Once you've placed a limit order, it will remain active until it's either filled, executed, canceled by you, or it expires, if you've set an expiration date, which is sometimes an option on advanced order types, though not always a standard feature of basic limit orders. You can usually view your open orders in a dedicated section of the platform, allowing you to track their status and cancel them if needed. Now, let's talk about some important considerations when using limit orders. Your order might not get filled. If the market price never reaches your specified limit price, your order will not be executed. This is a key difference from market orders, which are guaranteed to execute, though not necessarily at your desired price. Be realistic with your price targets. Setting a buy limit order too low or a sell limit order too high might mean your order never gets filled. Consider the current market conditions and recent price action when setting your limits. Understand the order book. The order book is a real-time list of all the outstanding buy and sell orders for a particular asset. Understanding how the order book works can help you make more informed decisions about where to place your limit orders. Consider using other order types in conjunction with limit orders. For example, you might use a stop limit order to help protect your profits or limit your losses if the market moves against you after your initial limit order is filled. We can explore stop limit orders in a future video if you're interested. Pay attention to fees. While Gemini's fee structure is generally competitive, be aware of any transaction fees associated with executed limit orders. These fees can vary depending on your trading volume and the specific trading pair. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.